Good morning, Saugus. I'm Lexi Renolds, and today is Thursday, October 10th.
And I'm Hannah Rutter, and this is SNN.
If you haven't already heard, due to the forecast of high winds, dry weather, and elevated fire risk, Canyon, Golden Valley, Sierra Vista, La Mesa, Hard at Home, and Sequoia will be on a special minimum day today because of possible power outages in the Canyon Country area.
Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready? Begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Congrats to Concert Choir for being accepted into this year's Disney Candlelight. They will sing in the prestigious event at Disneyland in December. They were the only choir in the district to be invited to perform.
Also, congratulations to Andrea Karstensen, Emma Walston, and Leah Kuntz for being accepted into the All-State Honor Choir. After a rigorous audition where students were required to sight read music, sing arias in different languages, and demonstrate advanced musicianship skills, they made it into the highly regarded group and will perform with them in November.
The membership list for CSEP for the fall 2019 semester is now posted on the outside of room Q1701. Ask Canyon Tuesdays will bring together a host of COC student services. Receive support by scheduling a one-on-one advising session or stop by an information station in the library alcove. The deadline for taking senior portraits is October 26th. That means all portraits must be scheduled and taken by that date. If you have not had portraits taken yet, schedule your appointment as soon as possible to guarantee that there will still be times available. Portraits not taken by the deadline will not appear in the 2020 yearbook. Contact O'Connor Photography at the number listed below to schedule an appointment.
The UC application workshop will be today during periods 5 and 6 in the library. If you plan on attending, go to the counseling office to sign up and pick up a permission slip.
Now let's go to Mr. Marcia and Mr. Lopata with your Athletic Director's Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mr. Marcia, and this is Mr. Lopata with your Athletic Director's Minute.
We're going to dedicate today's minute to some of the athletes and coaches from our lower level programs.
If you are not aware, our JV football team is 6-0, and leading the charge is our Chronic Taco Male Athlete of the Week, Brandon Orick. Brandon is a sophomore impact player on both offense and defense, and in the victory against Hart, he scored a touchdown on offense, and on defense, he blocked a PAT to hold Hart to only 6 points.
Maybe he could pitch for the Dodgers. Our female athlete of the week is JV cross-country runner Jennifer Thompson. Jennifer led the JV to a team victory at the Masters Invitational, winning a race with an impressive time of 19:47.
Our coach of the week is Coach Jeff Bennett. Coach Bennett has led our JV football team to a 6-0 record and looks to remain undefeated when we play Golden Valley this week.
Great work, Coach, and congratulations to all of the winners. Do not forget to come by the AD office to pick up your certificate and receive a free meal from our Chronic Taco. Our trivia question this week is that we have had 2 Saugus athletes compete in the Olympics, 1 female and 1 male.
To receive a free Saugus Athletics t-shirt, name the 2 athletes that participate in the Olympics and send your answer to our Saugus Athletics Twitter account. Now that's all from us. Now let's go to concussion-free Hannah Sprague with your sports news.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Hannah Sprague with your sports news. We'd like to begin today's sports with a moment of silence for a 7-3 loss of the Los Angeles Dodgers to the Washington Nationals. The Nationals will move on to the NLCS. Today, Varsity's girls golf competes against Hart at the Oaks Club at 1. JV plays Valencia at Vista Valencia at 2. Football plays Golden Valley this week. Frosh plays today at Golden Valley at 4. JV and varsity play tomorrow at Canyon. JV plays at 4 and varsity plays at 7. Good luck to all Centurion athletes. Saugus Softball's Knockout a Cure Home Run Derby contest is tonight at the William S. Hart Complex, beginning at 4:30 p.m. Defending champion Grace Keene is looking to repeat as Knockout Queen. The event raises money for the softball program while also raising cancer awareness. A portion of the funds will be donated to Katie Martin, a Saugus High School graduate. That's all for me. Recently, more than 1,000 students from across the Hart School District came to visit the annual Manufacturing Day. Here's Connor Gilbertson with more.
Hello, my name is Connor Gilbertson, and today we will be looking at the many different businesses at Manufacturing Day.
I have a nonprofit called First Stone Community Maker Lab.
So we're Chris Air.
We're Elite Media Technologies.
I work for Shit Audio Incorporated. That's SCHIIT. We manufacture all types of valves for hydraulic and fuel systems. We make amplifiers and DACs, which is a digital to analog converter for high-end headphone and stereo systems.
I try and empower and give an opportunity for kids to be able to create whatever they imagine.
We're a post-production facility here in Santa Clarita.
What students would have to do to get into the program would first of all to engage, to have a conversation, and then would be that they would need a desire to want to create, to build, to make something.
I would say, if at all possible, go into a film and TV school if you can when you're ready for college.
So the field I am in it's pretty fun. There's something about looking up in the sky and seeing an airplane fly over and wondering how it works and wanting to be a part of that. Practice. Absolutely, practice is a big key for building anything, and then our field is entirely based on engineering with boards and components like that. So I would say chase if you're really interested in doing something like this where you're creating the products from scratch, I'd say get an education in engineering.
Manufacturing Day puts real-world experience into fun activities for students to learn what it's like in the field of manufacturing. This has been Connor Gilbertson reporting for SNN.
Find more information at the website listed below.
The NROTC Scholarship is available for seniors. It covers 100% of college tuition, textbook stipend, living expenses, travel opportunities, and more. Applications are available at the website listed below, or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer.
The Epic Flight Academy has 2 scholarship opportunities available for juniors and seniors interested in aviation. One is worth $20,000 and the other is $5,000. For more information, go to the website listed below or go to the counseling office to pick up a flyer. That's all for today. I'm Lexi Renolds. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Hannah Rutter. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow.